Mr. Ntanzi, can we just maybe continue with the two main themes that you've been busy with for the past 2 days?
Singaqhubeka ke Ntanzi ngezihloko ezimbili esasikhuluma ngazo einsuku ezimbili ezedlule.
Namely the issue of the hoodie as well as your height.
Indaba yale hoodie oyibiza nge-tracksuit enesigqoko sayo kanye nobude bakho.
You'll recall that we posited to you that according to the evidence of Constable Zungu, Mr. Tumelo Madala and Ms. Zandile Khumalo, you had a hoodie on.
Uzokhumbula ke ukuthi ke ngokusho kokufakazi obufundelwe buka Tumelo nobuka Zandile kanye nobuka Zungu kuthiwa ke wena wawugqoke leyo tracksuit enesigqoko sayo ibizwa ngehoodie.
Due to Exhibit J, the statement of Mr. T. Makaleni saying that suspect B had a black hooded top.
Saphinde sakubonisa ke statement lapho kubhalwe khona ngomnumzane T Makaleni lapho esho khona ukuthi ke umsolwa unumber B wayegqoke leyo hoodie emnyama.
And the second theme that we were busy with regarding your height was that Mr. Tumelo Madala and Ms. Zandile Khumalo testified that the second suspect was taller than the first.
Okunye futhi kwesibili ukuthi ke okushiwo ke uMadlala kanye ke nomunye bathe ke lo omunye umsolwa wesibili wayemude.
And both identified you in court as the second suspect.
Wathi labo bobabili ngoba ibona ke bakhonela ukukwazi bakhomba lenkantolo bathi uye lo msolwa.
Now, in this regard, we wish to refer you to the evidence of Mr. Mtokozizi Twala, which appears in the proceedings of 2 August 2023, page 41.
Ngalolo daba ke sithanda ukukhomba la ubufakazi obubuka mnumzane Twala abothula ngomhla ze-2 ku-August 2023.
And at line 7, he testified as follows.
So khomba ke lobo bufakazi ke obuye ke babhalwa phansi buthathwa ke ebufakazini abethule barekhodwa kuzoba soqala ku line 7 uzofunda ke aqede konke akufundayo sengiyakufundela ngiyahumusha.
I then noticed that there was a second one, and that person was tall. And he continues at line 9. So now the one that was in the scuffle together with Senzo was shorter than the one that was the second one.
Ubuthwala uyibeke kanjena uthi ngase ngiyabona ke ukuthi ke lona wesibili wayemude lo muntu wesibili wayemude lona owayelwa noSenzo noma wayeqabana elwa noSenzo wayemfushane kunalona wesibili.
Then on page 45, still during the proceedings of 2 August 2023, line 1, Mr. Twala, they were busy with the tall one.
Emgceni ke otholakala ke ekhasini number 45 kulobo bufakazi bukaThwala bangazi-2 zika-August 2023 uthi uthwala ke babe busy bephisheke nalona omude.
Do you have a comment to proffer so far, Mr. Mdanzi?
Kukhona ongathanda ukuphawula kulezi impendulo?
Phambi kwenkosi enkantolo bakhuluma ngomuntu owangena wakhumala hayi mina.
My lord, here they are referring to a person who entered Kumalo's place, not me.
Then at line 12, Mr. Twala testified as follows. The second one was carrying or was in possession of a sharp object that looked like a knife.
Emgqeni number 12 khona la kulelo khasi uthwala uthi ke lona wesibili wayephethe okuthize okukhaliphile okunje kwakubukeka njengommese okubukhali kubukeka njengommese.
Then at line 20, Mr. Twala, to describe him facially, no, by the clothing that he was wearing a hoodie.
Ku line 20 ukumchaza ebusweni cha kodwa ke ingubo noma impahla yembethe kwakuyihoodie isigqoko esihlangene nebhashi lakhona ngamanye amasu.
And we then asked him, which suspect is this now? He said, suspect 2.
Mase ngiyambuza ke mina mshushisi ngithi imuphi lo msolo wamanje ukhuluma ngayo wathi ke umsolo wesibili.
Do you have any comment?
Unako ukuphawula kulokho?
Nkosi enkantolo usho abantu abangena wakhumala hayi mina.
My lord is talking about people who entered the Kumalo's place, not me.
Then, during the proceedings of 3 August 2023, at page 29, this is now during the cross-examination by counsel, Mr. Ramusepeli, to Mr. Twala, at line 22, Mr. Ramusepeli. Now, the first suspect that entered the house, what was his height? Then Mr. Twala answered as follows. Although I will not be able to give you such exactly, but he was not tall. He was a bit shorter.
Manje ekhasini 29 ngomhla ka3 kuAugust 2023 lapho ke uthwala ipheko ngemibuzo ebuzwa ngummeli uRamusipili. Ubuze kanjena ke ummeli wathi ngakho ke ufakazi lo umsolo uqala owangena endlini ubude bakhe babungakanani. Uthwala waphendula ngokuthi na noma ngeke ngikwazi ukunikeza bungako ubude bakhe ncamashi kodwa ke engakusho ukuthi wayengemude wayethanda ukuba mfushane.
Do you have any comment?
Waphawula kulokho?
Yawe ngoba ngisho nje phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ukuthi mina bakhuluma ngabantu abangena wakhumala.
Yes, as I already stated before this court, my lord, that here they are talking about people who entered at the Kumalo's place.
Remember the,
They are not referring to me, isn't it?
but remember the evidence of Mr. Tumelo Madlala
Khumbula ubufakazi bukaTumelo Madlala
and Ms. Zandile Kumalo. They pointed you out here in court as the second suspect
no
who entered the house.
nobukazandile Khumalo bona baye bafike bakhomba la enkantolo bathi wena lo muntu owumsolo wesibili owangena endlini ungaphenduli kwamanje sikumele ithuba.
As the court proceeds, my lord, that is indeed so that Ms. Zandile Kumalo and Mr. Tumelo Madlala, they did doc identify Mr. Ntanzi as the second suspect. This question, my lord, is unfair.
Is what?
Mr. Mtokozi Sitwala
Yeah, fine, I hear
did
you.
not identify Mr. Ntanzi as a suspect in any way, not here in court, not at any identification parade, my lord, as the court proceeds.
Umeli uyaphikisana naleli daba. Uthi ke yebo kunjalo ukuthi labo bobabili bona bamkhomba ebhokisini labamangalelwa bekhomba ummangalelo wesibili. Kodwa ke uMthokozi Sithwala akazange amazi lowo muntu ambona ukuthi yimuphi.
That is indeed so, my lord. We never said that Mtokozi Twala pointed out Mr. Ntanzi as the second suspect. We specifically said Mr. Tumelo Madlala and Ms. Zandile Kumalo, those two, that they identified him here in court. And that was in response to his evidence that they are talking about the people who entered the house and not him.
Yes, okay.
Ya uthi ke kunjalo khona ukuthi laba bobabili bamkhomba ebhokisini kodwa ke uMthokozi Sithwala akazange akwazi ukumkhomba asho ukuthi uyena. Lokho ngibuziswa ile mpendulo yakhe anginikeza yona ukuthi bakhuluma ngabantu abangena endlini hayi yena.
Angikhumbula kahle Nkosi enkantolo. Abantu abayithula abangikhombela uZandi noTumelo Madlala. Batshena icourt ukuthi mabe ngikhomba bangibona ngetshebe. Kusho bona lapha ecourt.
If I remember well, my lord, before this court I was pointed out by Zandi and Tumelo Madlala. If I remember further, they said they identify me by my beard.
Nkosi enkantolo, mina lapha phambi kwecourt ngangena itshebe 2014 Nkosi enkantolo.
My lord, I say before this court that in 2014 I did not have a beard.
Now, how do you remember that in 2014 you did not have a beard?
Ukhumbula kanjani lokho ukuthi ke ngo-2014 wawungenayo intshebe?
Ngikhunjuzwa zithombe zami.
My photos remind me that.
Which photos?
Ziphi lezo yithombe?
Isithombe sebank sa 2013.
The 2013 bank photo.
We just want to show you a photo. You can just indicate if that is a photo from the bank that you are talking about.
Yeah.
Funa ukukhombisa isithombe ke sango-2014 ngifuna usho ukuthi ke ngabe yisona ke sebank leso okhuluma ngaso na.
Referring to this picture,
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Isona sithombe esisondela kakhulu no-2014. Lesi sithombe ngide esa-July noma June angisakhumbuli kahle.
This is a photo of mine which is much closer to 2014. Even though I don't remember so well, this photo, it's July noma bani?
Noma June angisakhumbuli kahle.
It's June or July?
Yeah.
July's photo.
Ngoba iy'thombe lezo ezilapha phambi kwekhodi ziyithombe za-2018, 2019, 2020.
Because the photos which are before this court are 2018, 19, and 2020 photos.
Now, why do you say that, and this, just for record purposes, this picture is attached to the your bank statement and bank records as per exhibit DD1, is that correct?
And lesi sithombe yilesi esihlanganeke namarekhodi akho asebhenki. Lawa akhona la kulo bufakazi, kulamaphepha obufakazi. DD1. Kunjalo?
Ngibona isithombe ukuthi kubizwa ngo-DD bani angazi.
I only see a picture. Well, whether it's referred to, it's marked, which number, DD what, I don't know.
But it was provided with your bank statement, is that correct?
Kodwa-ke ngisho ukuthi lesi sithombe yilesi esanikezwa sihambisana kanye nestatement sakho sasebhenki. Kunjalo?
Mina ngiyasibona ngithi nasi ngikhuluma ngento engiyibona phambi kwekhodi angikhulumi ngento engingayiboni.
I can see it depicted right here before the court. Here is it right here before the court. I'm not talking about something that I don't see.
Now, why do you say that this picture was taken in July of 2013?
Ukusho ngani ukuthi lesi sithombe sathathwa ngawo July ku-2013 na?
Ngikusho ngoba ngangigqoke isole phambi kwenza ibheki iTroks uDanda ngiyabona ukuthi ibranch yaseCartonville.
I said because I was dressed like this. Uthi wagqoke ibhenki lenzani?
Ngithi isikhathi ngingena ebheki ngangigqoke iTroks uDanda ngangihamba noTokozo umfana kaMsweni.
When I entered the bank, I was in the company of Ntokozo, Msweli Sir.
Is the oval-shaped beer visible on this photo?
The oval shape.
Yes. Beard around the mouth.
Uthi ke yena-ke lentshebe ke ecishe indingiliza lapha ezingwesa umlomo-ke lapha emlonyeni. Nentshebe lapha yendingiliza.
Angizwa kahle.
Uthi kunentshebe lapha.
Ikuphi?
Where is it?
Yes.
Nasi isithombe phambi kwekhodi angeke.
Here is the picture before the court.
Ngisho ama-stashes la, lento kuthiwa ama-stashes ngesiZulu. Yabona mancane nako uyabona. Kushefe kuphi-ke lento eshefiwe.
And the moustache, what we refer to as a moustache, there it is there. Where is there any shaving there?
So,
Ipitshebe la uphi uswayini la kukhulunywa ngayo lapha ekhodi.
Where is the beard here?
so
Where is that hairline just above the chin, between the chin and the lower lip here?
are you saying there's a small mustache on that photo?
Usho ukuthi la lesi sithombe ukhona umustache nyana omncane lapha yana.
Nasi isithombe sasibona phambi kwekhodi.
Here is a picture depicted before the court. We can all see it.
Yes, sir. For record
Akhona
purposes.
ama-stash amancane la, ama-stash khuluma ngalokho kuthiwa ngama-stash. Lokho kuvela kuqala emfaneni mayekhulu.
Yes, there is a small mustache right here on top. You can see it. That's what grows first when a boy grows up.
Is there a beard on that photo?
Ikhona intshebe yini kulesi sithombe?
Akunatshebe Nkosi enkantolo.
There's no beard there, my lord.
There at the chin, do you not see any beard there? on the chin.
La esilevini wawubona ijebe lapha.
Mina ngiyibona.
I don't.
Oh, on that photo.
Kule-
Mina
kulesi
ngibona
sithombe.
itshebe.
No, I don't see any
Kanti
beard.
itshebe yini bakithi ngesiZulu mhlambe nithi singazi. Akunatshebe.
There's no beard there.
Ingakho naqala ngitsheni ikhona ukuthi ngiyabonga uma ngilandela lesi sithombe azosikhombisa ikhodi.
Hence, I told the court initially that I'm so grateful that we have fetched this picture to show it before the court.
Ngoba ikhodi uyivezele iy'thombe za 2018, 2019.
Because you had already produced 2018-19 photos before this court.
Ingakho nje naphambi kwekhodi ngisho ukuthi hayi Nkosi enkantolo ngiyabonga uma ngivezwa lesi sithombe sami lesi.
That's why I said before this honorable court that I'm so grateful if this picture is now produced before the court.
We just want to show you the original picture that comes from the bank
Ngifuna
that,
ngifuna
that is
ukukhombisa
attached to exhibit that's part of exhibit DD1A.
ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuyisona sithombe i-original phecelezi ukuyisona esivela ebank.
Yeah.
Nansi-ke unikezwa sona.
Ungasibeka.
Do you see any beard on the chin?
Ake usho-ke ukuthi lana-ke kule ndawo ebizwa ngechini kukhona isilevu osibonayo uma ubhekela ku-original. Kukhona intshebe uyibonayo la esilevini.
Akunaniksi lapha Nkosi enkantolo nasi sithombe ukuthi phambi kwekhodi.
There's nothing here, my lord. Here is this picture before this court.
Nasi isithombe phambi khuma ngesithombe nasi phambi kwekhodi.
I'm talking about the photo.
Ingakho ngishilo phambi kwekhodi ngathi ngiyabonga uma ungivezela lesi sithombe sami sebheke sika 2013 ngathi ngiyabonga. Lapho ngizofika ngikhombise khona ikhodi Nkosi enkantolo nasi isithombe ngisebo nasi phambi kwekhodi. Yiphi itshebe ngangena 2014?
That's why I said, I still repeat that at the time when you produced this picture, I said, I'm so grateful that you produced it before the court.
Well, we put it through that a picture speaks for itself, that on the picture that's depicted there is beard on the chin.
Ngizawuthi kuwe-ke siyazikhulumela lesi sithombe. Ngithi mina mshutshisi la kulesi sithombe kukhona intshebe la esilevini.
Awukhulumi lona iqiniso phambi kwekhodi.
You are not telling the truth before this court.
Ngesizulu ngayithatha njengehlazo ngithi ihlazo akulona iqiniso lokukhuluma.
In the Zulu culture, if you are not talking the truth like that, I'll take it as something that is shameful. It's a
Yes.
shame.
Yes, but
This is not an objection. It's just to update my notes here. The state says the picture speaks for itself. I don't know what is the picture saying in respect of the discussion that has been happening between Mr. Ntanzi and the state. When the state says the picture speaks for itself, I can hear Mr. Ntanzi saying there's no there's no bed there. Then the state says, but the picture speaks for itself. So I don't know what does the picture says, what words are conveyed by the picture, because as I also look at that photo there, it's not even an original photo. I've got my own opinion about the photo, but I just want to hear from the state, what is it that the picture is saying?
well, we put the proposition, my lord, that the picture speaks for itself, and that on the picture that is depicted there, one can see beard on the chin.
Ummeli ube phakama nokuthi akucaciswe kahle ukuthi uma umshushisi ethi isithombe siyazikhulumela uchaza ukuthini sikhuluma sithini ngoba siyamuzwa uyakhuluma uNtantsi uthi akukho njebe lapha manje umshushisi uchaza ukuthini umethi isithombe siyazikhulumela uthi hayi sisho ukuthi ke isithombe siyakubonisa ukuthi ikhona intshebe lapha.
Mina Nkosi enkantolo ayikho itshebe.
According to me, my lord, there's no beard there.
Sorry, so Mr. Baloyi, you're saying you see a beard on that very picture?
Yes.
And
hence we
Mr.
say-
Ntanzi says there is no beard there.
Yes.
Can you show it to some of the councillors here? And then you can show it to me thereafter.
So, my lord, on top of that, may I beg leave of the court to approach the monitor to enable some.
Yeah, fine. That's why I say I don't see it. I'm from FRA, so you show it to the councils, and they don't have to express an opinion about it to this court. Once they have seen it, and once I've seen it, there will be some notation what we are seeing.
kuthiwa kakhonjiswe abameli ngoba ke umshushisi uthi yena ubona intshebe lapha bathi abameli ababheke nabo
Interesting to see.
Yeah, everybody must go there.
bathi abameli ababheke lapha ababheke ukuthi babonane esithombeni ucelile komunye umeli ukuthi ngicela ukusondela impela eduze ngizobheka lapho nani bamangalela ngizonikeza ukuthi ke ningabheka lapho kodwa umuntu angasho ukuthi ubonani uzobhala phansi nje ubhalayo noma ukubeka engqondweni eqineni umehlulela ucela ukuthi lesi sithombe silethwe kuyena naye azosibheka uma senicedile ukubheka
I will have a double take because I wear spectacles. So I'll look at it without spectacles, and then I'll look at it with spectacles.
ya mina ke njengomehluleli ngizobheka lesi sithombe ngingakafaki ibuku ngiphinde ngisibheke sengifake ibuku
Is that the photo? Can I see it?
cela
Or should I-
ninikeze
The court order is bringing.
Oh, he's bringing it, yeah. Skatsama. Okay, thank you. What is that exhibit? It's the exhibit which is attached to the bank documents.
Yes.
Exhibit DD,
Yes. DD1 as well as DD1A.
DD1A and DD1. Okay.
As the court assistant, my lord, sorry to interject. I think, my lord, now that his lordship has seen,
What's that?
now that his lordship has seen DD1 in color, I think also because we've got the black and white one, to
Oh,
see
I
the
see.
contrast, my lord, if that can also be
Yeah,
shown
fine.
to his lordship, my lord.
So this one is in color, ne? And there's a black and white one.
so becela ke umele ukuthi ke umehluleli anikeze nalesi esithathwe lesi esenziwe nge-black and white ukuthi asibheke leso sithombe
Okay. Thank you, Dad.
Mr. Ntanzi, do you also want to see the black and white
nawe
version?
ungathanda ukubona lesi ayisiku-black and white lesi asiphethe
Lesi esifana nalesi.
is it similar to
Oh,
the one
yes.
you handed to me
Yes. Thank you.
yeah they are similar
Yeah,
Yes, thank you.
thanks.
Now, Mr. Ntanzi, are you saying this is the closest point of reference that you have to 2014? It's a photo that you say was taken in July 2013.
wentanzi ukuthi lesi isona sisondelene kakhulu no-2014 ngoba sathathwa ngoJuly 2013
Yeah.
yes
But you will agree, Mr. Ntanzi, that between 2013 and 2014, there is a long time lapse.
Kodwa uzovumelana nami wentanzi ukuthi emkhathini phakathi kuka 2013 no 2014 kunesikhathi eside esedlulayo.
To be precise, it will be a year and 3 months to 26 October 2014.
Uma singabala ncamashi uba unyaka wonke kanye nezinyanga ezintathu ngaphezulu.
Ngiyathanda phambi kwekhote lo gama malivezwa nguye umshushisi emethi phambi kwekhote. Isikhathi lesi lesi sithombe nesikhathi lesi sika 2014 isikhathi esinonyaka nezinyanga ezintathu.
I like it like that, when you are the one who actually tells the court the time lapse between 2013 and 2014. That it's a period of a year and 3 months.
Kose enkantolo kuthathiwe isithombe sa 2018 2019 kusimisha iminyaka emingaki le iminyaka u4 or u5 mangaphosisi manguthi encounter kanti wasiletha phambi kwecourt azothi icourt nabe nginetshebe angabe uthathe sona lesi sithombe azokhombisa icourt ukuthi nasi isithombe sika Ntanzi esondelene ngqo no 2014.
My Lord, a photo taken in 2018, 2019 was taken and brought to the court to prove that I had a beard at that stage. Instead of taking this photo and bringing it to court, saying before the court, here is Ntanzi's photo.
Manje lelo gama liyangimangaza maselivela nomshushisi esetshena mina phambi kwecourt ethi lesi sithombe ngesa 2013 sisi sinonyaka ne3 months kukhona izithombe ezineminyaka u4 u5 ayiveze phambi kwecourt.
Now I'm becoming amazed, I'm getting surprised if you then say before this court, this picture had a period of about a year and 3 months lapse in between. And although, or even though, there are photos that you produced before this court, which were, had a period of about 4
Iminyaka u4 noma u5 angimangaza.
4 or 5 years lapse that you produced before this court.
Ngoba mina izithombe zami lapha phambi kwecourt sa 2018 2019 2020.
Because those photos of mine before this court are the ones for 2018, 19, and 2020.
Kube yiso ke lesa 2013.
Then here comes this one of 2013.
Now, the photos that you're referring to, are you referring to the 16 photos as per Exhibit DD4B?
Ngabe le ithombe ukhuluma ngazo ile ithombe eziwu-16 and eziyezanikeza inombolo ezithi DD4B la enkantolo njengobufakazi. Amagama le ithombe eziyi-16 ezanikezwa la njengobufakazi.
Yeah, bakusiza za 2014.
Yes, those are not 2014 photos.
Asikho futhi sa 2016.
Neither is there any photo there. It
Asikho
was taken in 2016.
asikho futhi sa 2017.
Neither is there any one which was taken in 2017.
Lapha phambi kwecourt izithombe zami ziqala 2018 2019 2020.
The pictures brought before this court, my pictures, starts in 2018, 19, and 2020.
Now, these pictures that you're referring to, we'll just go through them now. There's now Exhibit DD4B.
Le ithombe okhuluma ngazo, ithombe ezibhalwe ngokuthi ziwubufakazi phambi kwenkantolo, sinikezwe inombolo ezithi DD4B. Umshushisi ukunikeza sona ukuthi usibone ukuthi
Yeah, ngiyazibona.
yes, I see them.
Now, the first picture in the bundle of Exhibit DD4B will also show them on the screen.
Isithombe sokuqala ke kulo mculo wezithombe ngizokhombisa nawe escreenini khona manje.
which were extracted from Exhibit 6, and your counsel has already indicated that the photos are being admitted.
The photos have been
Admitted. So they were not disputed.
lesi sithombe ke ezosikhombisa sithethwe ke kubufakazi 6 ummeli wakho washo ukuthi izithombe aziphiliswa njengobufakazi.
Yes.
My Lord, indeed so, and this is not an objection. Exhibit DD4B, as was presented to us, my Lord, when they say it's admitted, I want to put a proviso or a rider. They were given to us without the metadata. So my admission was the depiction of the actual facial features, not the metadata, because it was not attached here to, as the court pleases, my Lord.
Yeah, Mr. Baloyi, they say those photos are not accompanied by the metadata. Is that the admission?
But Mr. Warren of Sandlovu did testify about that, but we can come back to that aspect at a
Okay.
later stage.
Ummeli ubesho ukuthi ukuzamukela besiyamukela nje isithombe kuphela kodwa hayi imininingwane yaso eshicilelwe phansi phecelezi okuthiwa i-metadata. Uthi ke umshushisi kodwa ke u-warrant officer Dlovu uzile wafakaza ngalokho kodwa sizophinde sibuyele kuleyo ndaba sikhulume ngayo ngoba ummeli uthi siyasamukela isithombe ngokwazi hayi yonke imininingwane ehambisana nayo elotshwe phansi.
Now, if we can then go back to the evidence of Mr. Twala.
Ake siphindele emuva ke ebufakazini bukaMnumzane Thwala.
I think we were on page 47 of the proceedings of 2 August 2023.
Sasikhuluma ngobufakazi bakhe ekhasini ke le-47 lobo bufakazi abethule enkantolo ngomhla zimbili ku-August onyakeni ka-2023.
At line 9, Mr. Twala testified as follows. I remember, as I said, that I went out, I ran out, and the tall one, the second one, followed me, the one that had an object that looked like a knife. I went out of the gate, and he was chasing me. I then went to my left.
uThwala uphendula kanjena la ake simcaphune uthi ngiyakhumbula ngithe ngaphumela ngaphandle ngagijimela ngaphandle kwathi lona omude lona wesibili wangilandela lona engitheni ubephethe okuthize okubukeka njengommese ngaphuma ngesango wangigijimisa ngase ngijikela esandleni sokuncela sami.
Any comment, Mr. Ntanzi?
Kukhona ufuna ukukuphawula la Ntanzi?
Nkosi enkantolo uThwala ukhuluma ngomuntu wayemhuba hayi mina Nkosi enkantolo.
My Lord, Thwala is talking about a person ukumhubusha ukumgijimisa.
Yeah, umhuba ngigijima.
Thwala was referring to a person who was chasing after him. Not me, my Lord.
Then on page 48,
Asiye ekhasini 48.
This was during examination in chief on the 2nd of August 2023. Line 2, Mr. Twala testified as follows. And then he went down the road, and then what I also do recall is that the two male persons from the neighbors came out. Then at line 7, Mr. Twala, suspect 2, I would say, so the tall one.
ake sibheke lana uthwala ethi khona wayeseshona enzansi nomgwaqo ehla ngomgwaqo okunye engikukhumbulako ukuthi labalisa ababili abaphuma eduze komakhelwane baphuma kwaphuma amadoda amabili komakhelwane bachubeka uthwala wathi umsolwa wesibili ngizosho kanjalo lona omude bese kuba ungqile.
Do you have any comment?
Ngathanda ukuphawula ngalokhu na
Kusenkantolo uthwala ukhuluma ngomuntu ambonayo wayemude. Abantu abade baningi emhlabeni la eSouth Africa.
My Lord, Twala is talking about a person that he was seeing. It was a tall person. There are many tall people in South Africa.
Then the last page that we wish to refer to is page 25. On the 4th of August 2023, it was during the cross-examination by counsel, Advocate Mshololo.
Sesiza ku page 25 lapho ke u-advocate Mshololo wayepheka khona uthwala ngemibuzo.
Now at line 12, counsel, Advocate Mshololo asks Mr. Mthokozisi Twala, okay, so what did you mean when you said this? Were you referring to the hood or were you referring to the rest of the clothing of that person? And then at the bottom of the page, the highlighted portion, line 23, it says, I specifically made mention of the hoodie.
Hawo ke lapho ke uMshololo ebuza khona uthwala uthi okay uchaza ukuthini umusho lo ngabe ukhuluma ngalesi sigqoko esihlangane nempahla esibizwa ngehood amaka lempahla enesigqoko isigqoka ngemuva kwekhanda noma usho yonke impahla yalowo muntu. Wayesephendula ke la ethi empeleni kahle kahle ngikhuluma ngale hood okusho ukuthi leli bhantshi elinesigqoko sakhona noma le tracksuit enesigqoko.
Any comment?
Kukhona ongathanda ukuphawula kulo.
Uthwala ukhuluma ngomuntu wayembona.
Twala is talking about a person that he had seen,
I mean,
not me.
The other evidence that we wish to refer to is the evidence of Ms. Ntabise Mokete, as appears on page 46 of the proceedings of 26 July 2023 at line 14. We'll give you the copy. She testified as follows. Now, this other one, who was slightly bigger in physique they did not outrun each other. They almost ran side by side, even though there was one that was a little in front of the other. And that very one with that bigger physique had a hoodie on his head. And with the head as well, he was taller. He was taller than the other two that I have already referred to. Yes.
Wawe lana ke kuphendula ke uMukiti ekhasini lika 46 ngomhla ka 26 kuJuly 2023 uqashule kanjena ke impendulo yakhe. Manje ke lona wayethanda ukuthi akabe mkhudlwana ngomzimba ondlekile. Wayethanda ukuba mkhudlwana ngomzimba kancane ondlekile. Azange bagijime bashiyane. Cishe ke babegijima omunye eceleni komunye. Kuze wabonisa ngemino. Kodwa ke lo munye wayegijima phambidlana kancane kunalo munye kodwa babengashiyana eceleni phambidlana komunye. Kwase kuthi lona wayengathi wayemkhudlwana ngokomzimba kunalona omunye uyena wayegcoke ihood esimboze ngayo ikhanda futhi wayemude kancane kunalabo abanye ababili esengikhulume ngabo kucala.
Do you have any comments, Mr. Ntanzi?
Kukhona ungathanda ukuphawula ngalokho Ntanzi?
Yeah, but now Mama Mkita athi nawukhuluma ngabantu ababona ngithi bebaleka lapha ebabona khona. It's not me.
Miss Mkiti as well, she was talking about the people that she saw running away, not me.
So did you say it's not me in English?
Ngithi not me.
Oh,
She said it in Vernac.
okay, sorry. If we can then just go back to the, I don't know, my lord, if we're going to take the normal short adjournment.
What's the time?
11:06, it appears Mr. Mbatsani might also need a comfort break.
Is that so? Okay. Let's adjourn.